This overview is the second in a series of 4 videos on Oracle PaaS for SaaS offerings. The Oracle Cloud Platform enables you to digitize your enterprise by focusing on Analyze, Extend, Connect, and Secure. For Extend, Oracle Digital Assistant will boost productivities with new capabilities via low-code and integrates directly with Oracle SaaS applications. Let's take a look and see how this works in Oracle Cloud.
Oracle Digital Assistant is an engagement platform for end users to communicate with technology applications and knowledge sources via natural dialogue. Oracle's Digital Assistant is the only enterprise digital assistant in the market, and it offers pre-built AI-trained skills across HCM, SCM, CRM, e-commerce, and ERP. A single digital assistant has the ability to unify the experience between multiple SaaS applications by routing to multiple skills and can be integrated with third-party and/or homegrown applications via the Digital Assistant platform. Overall, Oracle's Digital Assistant is a conversational AI that enables ERP stakeholders to more easily and quickly access information and drive workflow processes via the use of human-like conversational interactions with SaaS services. The finance manager is having a busy day at the office. He needs to submit a few expenses and get a few updates on his accounts. To do this, he will leverage a pre-built digital assistant that has been integrated directly with ERP Cloud Financials. The digital assistant initiates the conversation with the finance manager, and he can then interact just using natural dialogue. He simply says, food expenses, $15.46. The digital assistant is able to recognize that he wants to create a new expense and prompts him to enter the merchant's name, the date of the expense, and the category. Once all the details have been filled in, the digital assistant confirms the expense line creation, but he wants to update the description. He types in, description is lunch. And the digital assistant updates the description and requests confirmation to create the expense. The finance manager confirms the request, and the digital assistant will then automatically submit the expense. One other way to create an expense report in a digital assistant is to upload an image of a receipt. The digital assistant uses keyword scan from the image to fill in the expense fields and requests him to confirm the expense type. Now that the digital assistant has filled in all the details for the expense, he confirms. As the finance manager is looking at the expense information one more, he realizes the date is incorrect on the receipt and asks to modify the expense. The digital assistant is able to retrieve data from ERP's finance module, returns the last expense line, and displays the details. Once the finance manager confirms the details of updating the expense line, he then confirms the newly updated expense. The digital assistant recognizes the correct date through natural language processing, saves the change, and automatically submits the new expense. The finance manager realizes that he has to leave his office and walk across campus to his next meeting, but still wants updates on his accounts. Oracle's digital assistant provides broad channel support like Slack, Teams, SMS, mobile apps, text-to-speech, and speech-to-text capabilities. He pulls out his phone and opens up his company's mobile application where the digital assistant has been embedded, presses the microphone button and says, "What is the account balance for cleaning?" The digital assistant responds with the answer, but in the background, Oracle's AI voice is being used with no risky exposure to third-party APIs. How much do we owe our office suppliers, Office Depot? Which account has the largest budget surplus? Which account has the highest margin? The finance manager was able to get all the information he needed for his upcoming meeting thanks to the ability of Oracle's pre-built digital assistant communicating directly with ERP Cloud Financials. The next persona we're going to take a look at is from the perspective of a new hire. The new hire was told to procure a laptop and business cards through Vision's pre-built digital assistant that has been integrated directly with ERP Cloud Procurement Module. The new hire says, "I want a new laptop." The digital assistant recognizes that the end user wants to procure a new laptop and asks if it would like to recommend a laptop based on his job role. Yes. The new hire browses what is available, selects more details, and the digital assistant asks if he would like more details on another of these laptops. No. Did you make a choice? Yes. The new hire chooses the Dell Latitude. The digital assistant then asks if it would like to create a requisition for you. Yes. The digital assistant will create the purchase requisition and route the rec to his manager for approval. He also needs to order business cards. The digital assistant says that it can help with that and gives a preview of the business cards via a web view. A web view is an application that enables structured data entry through UI elements and is able to integrate with the digital assistant. The web view can validate user input and can be built using Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Service, like the one seen on the screen here, Oracle Jet, or React. In the web view, he gets a preview of his business card, is able to select the quantity, and submit the order in ERP procurement. The digital assistant asks if he would like to create a requisition and says yes. The digital assistant successfully creates the requisition, and the new hire is all set for his first day at work. Oracle Digital Assistant for ERP is a conversational AI for your business. It will improve workflow process management for business visibility and velocity. Oracle Digital Assistant's pre-built skills allows for easy connectivity with ERP procurement, financials, project management, and other ERP products. No other digital assistant in the market can match Oracle's digital assistant and its capabilities. It is seamlessly integrated into ERP, making ERP more customer-oriented and can be integrated with other third-party applications via the digital assistant platform.
Oracle PaaS for SaaS offerings allow easy adaptation to the continuously changing business landscapes. You can subscribe to any of these offerings at your pace, use what you need, and when you need it. To learn more, please watch additional videos in this PaaS for SaaS series.